Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're doing another unboxing from a brand called Audaz watches, and this is their new diver. So let's try to do it with my trusty dull knife that all you've been making fun of. But guess what? Today it's working. Let's get this opened. One day maybe I'll really buy myself a fancy knife, but for now I'm using my kitchenware. Okay, let's open the box. Oh, inside another box with these styrofoam, or how do you call them? Let's move this away. Well, they sure packed it well. Okay, so once we remove the bubble wrapping, it has this sleeve, and as you can see, this is the Sea Armour, their newest diver. Now, Audaz Watches does offer quite a few models on their website, and I'm gonna leave a link. And they even included a coupon code, so I'll leave it in the description, that brings the price of this thing by 30%. And we're gonna see how this looks and whether is it worth the money. Naturally, I will be doing a full review of this once I spend some time with it, but this is just an unboxing and my first impressions. The watch is packed in this very nice, like a carrying case. I really like these materials because they're durable. And let's open it. And here it is. There's some foam to protect it as well. And here's the watch. You get the user manual. Let's remove this and get the thing removed from this protective foam. Move this away. And here's the watch itself. So the Audaz Sea Armour. Let's peel the protective film. And there we go. This is a 44 or 45 millimeter. Sometimes, I mean, in some specs they claim it's 44, in some that it's 45. But I'll have that ready for the full review when I do my own measurements. It's a cushion shaped, as you can see, which should help with the size, because 44, quite frankly, is a lot. But using this case shape and the lugs going down, I'm pretty sure it's gonna wear nicely. Also, as you can see, the lugs don't go all the way down, but we'll see how it wears on my wrist. The watch is powered by the Seiko NH35 movement, and you have this really chunky crown. Wow, this is big. It has this rubberized insert, so it's very easy to grip. So it has hacking, hand winding, so pulling it to the first click is gonna stop the seconds. Ooh, I like it. And naturally you can adjust the time. It has hand winding, like I said, it's automatic. Seiko NH35, pretty much the workhorse of most micro brands. It comes with a sapphire crystal and the ceramic insert, something we're getting used to from micro brands. Again, we're kind of getting spoiled by these micro brands because they get a lot of specs. You get a lot of specs for your money. Now these are priced at $400 for a single color bezel, because they offer these in different colors, and $425 for the bicolor one, which is like the Rolex Batman. But with that 30% discount, the single color ones dropped to $280, and this one to $200 and I believe $98 or something around there, which is a pretty decent price for what you get. The watch seems quite thick, but I really like the finish and the case shape. Everything is brushed. You have these inserts. I mean, it's an H-link bracelet with the connecting pieces being polished and the rest brushed. Let's check out the bezel. Well, I have to admit the action is nice, but it is kind of hard to grip because these teeth are not very sharp, as you can see, but they do look nice and they complement the case. The bezel, as you can see, is polished to contrast the brushed case. The hands are nice and large, but I wish they were just slightly longer to go all the way to the marker, but they're okay. It's not really an SHS or syndrome, shortness of hands syndrome like we see on so many watches. I do like the blue seconds hand that goes well with the Sea Armour inscription on the dial and the blue bezel. Now this bicolor bezel, this not being a GMT, really isn't an AM/PM indicator. It's just there for style's sake, and I have to admit I like the look of it. Let's see the case back. The case back is closed, so it's not a transparent case back, and have this big anchor logo on it. I really do like that. Let's check out the clasp. Now as you can see, the bracelet is really substantial and very well made. So it's solid links, solid end links, and I'm pretty sure the clasp is machined. Yes, it is. It doesn't have a slide or a glide lock or anything. It just has these micro adjustments, and this, to be honest, is the only piece that's kind of thin and tinny. The rest of it is pretty massive. So let's try to put it on my wrist and see what's what. Let's put away my Boulder Venture that's kind of becoming my daily wear. Oh, let's zoom out a bit. And here it is on my 6.7 inch wrist. This thing is massive, and I mean really, really massive. It's not too long though, thanks to this cushion shaped case. And as you can see, the bracelet, despite having some, you know, like going out a bit, it actually contours to my wrist. So this is not too big objectively, but for my own taste, it kind of is. It is a bit too big. But if you have a 7 or 7.5 inch wrist, you're gonna be fine. But it does really look beautiful. Wow. Now, this Wednesday, in case you don't know, I'm doing a giveaway, and this Wednesday we're gonna do the draw. So you have, this is a Sunday video, so you still have Monday and Tuesday to post a comment on my giveaway video to participate and win GBX 100 G-Shock. So make sure to follow that, and I'll leave a link in the description as well. When it comes to this Audaz watch, I really do like it. It's not for me because it's too big, and I really don't like watches that are too large. But overall, I really like it. One thing that I noticed as soon as I put it on my wrist is that the crown does kind of dig in, because it's, like I said, it's very massive and it goes out quite a while. Now, like I said, this is just the first impressions and unboxing, so do stay tuned for the full review that's gonna come in the following weeks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.